Hello, Computer Organization Architecture, Digital Assignment 2. Myself, Kamal Naina. The paper, IEEE paper I have chosen is Conceptual Design of 3D FT. My serial number is 56 and my registration number is 18BC0838. Mm, Selected paper, how is it related to CS syllabus is the way the paper I choose is related to CS syllabus. In my paper consists of different types of architecture and also contains of memory management system in it, which is also present in our CS syllabus. Drawing the existing architecture discussed in the paper, and this is the image which I have drawn. The image drawing video is at the end of this video. These are the tabulated results graphs, and this is the graph output, bar graph output for different inputs, and proposed architecture data flow using online tool. And this is also a screenshot which where it was not, it was a temporary file and I was not able to save it in my PC. So this is the screenshot of it. This is made using an online tool called Vector, and this is the transition level internal diagram using electronic schematic capture. Now comparing the proposed architecture and the existing architecture with reference to the books or paper. General purpose hybrid data flow or von Neumann architectures are gaining attraction as few effective parallel platforms. Although different implementation differ in different way, the merge the conceptually different computational models, they all follow similar principles. They harness the parallelism and data synchronization inherent to the data flow model, yet maintain the programmability of the von Neumann model only. In this paper, we classify hybrid data flow or von Neumann models according to two different taxonomies. One based on the execution model used for inter and intra block execution, and the other based on the integration level of the both control and data flow execution models. The advantage in the proposed design, the two main advantages are provide simpler divisions on subsystems, and the second important advantage is each subsystem can be independent program working on input data and producing output data. The listing the demerits and merits proposed on existing hardware techniques. Merits, two important merits, the same which I have given you above, which is provide simpler divisions on subsystems, and each subsystem can be independent program working on input data and producing output data. Demerits are provides high latency and low throughput, thus does not provide a concurrency and interactive interface. And third important demerit is external control is required for implementation. It's not done on its own. External user control is required for it. Applications on the proposed design. Data flow architecture is transformed input data by a series of computational or manipulative components into output data. It is a computer architecture we do not have a program counter, and therefore the execution is unpredictable, which means behavior is indeterministic. Data flow architecture is a part of von Neumann model of computation, which consists of a single program counter, sequential execution, and control flow, which determines fetch, instruction, commit order, and etc. This architecture has been successfully implemented. Data flow architecture reduces development time and can move easily between design and implementation. And at last, the flow chart or algorithm transition level proposed. And this is the Algorithm for data flow diagram. Thank you. Drawing the data flow processing element from the DA2.